So today we're hunting down a short somewhere in the circuit. We've narrowed it down to this circuit in particular. Something to do with the OnStar module here isn't working correctly. So firstly, you come to this fuse right here. You take your multimeter and you probe the two little metal nubs there. Okay, get your multimeter, set her up to voltage DC millivolts there. And we're just testing across, just like that. One video suggested to take apart this whole shebang here, which isn't too big of a job. Remove this riser here. Cuts off communication with a part of this, which is the wrong part because we're having issues with this. However, you can see clearly switching stuff. Shut the bed there. There's also a little battery here, which I think is right there. One-time use battery, and then it just... Anyways, the solution I have found now is to go ahead. We're gonna grab this white connector and these last two power feeds we're gonna clip. We got her put back in. I just used some shrink tape on the ends. I guess it didn't really work because the other one fell off. There on our fuse, and as you can see, 0 millivolt, which is good. That's what we want. So that's what it should be reading. It's got something on it right there. Pull that off. Let's put that off. Okay, shut the car off. One second. So it takes it a minute. See? There it goes.